Hello. Welcome to On Point FX. If you are watching on YouTube, please like, subscribe, make sure you follow us, make sure you subscribe on YouTube. If you are watching here on TikTok, I'm on live right now on TikTok. So I'm going to disintegrate the chat. I'm going to tell you what is going to happen this week. I'm going to tell you what is going to happen this week. So this week is all about technical analysis. And how do we do this? First of all, we have to watch our forexfactory.com to see what is going to happen, the incoming news we are going to expect during this week, okay? So we are going to forexfactory.com to see incoming news for the week, for this week. All right, let's do this and learn something great. All right, so let's see this week, which incoming news we have. All right, so this week we have quite some number of news that will be happening this week. And let's see on Monday. So Monday we have GBP news, which is 6:45. Okay, depending on your country time. So make sure it follows your country time. If it doesn't match with your country time, make sure you set it, come to filter, you come here, all right? Click on it and just adjust the time, okay? Adjust the time, make sure it matches your country's time, okay? All right. So now, Monday, we have some quite of news here. We have GBP news and odd news. So Monday, we don't have so much news like that. So Tuesday, we have odd news, we have card news, and this is 1:30 p.m. card news, okay? So this might move the market a little. And then we have another FOMC. And then Wednesday, we have Wednesday, we have some number of news to happening. Yeah, so Wednesday we have odd news, we have USD news, we have USD news. You understand? And then Thursday we have Euro news is happening, and we have Thursday all day. We have bank holiday on JPY, bank holiday on JPY. Okay, so you have to take note on Thursday that there's a bank holiday on Japanese yen. So just be very much careful on that. This is it. Thursday we have news. Holiday. So Thursday we have Euro news, GBP news, and other stuff. And we have bank holiday too again. All day. That's USD bank holiday. So on Thursday we have USD bank holiday. So you have to be very careful if you are trading. Be very much aware of that. So Thursday we have Japanese yen news. Holiday, and we have what USD holiday. So I always encourage that when there's a holiday, you have to be very careful. Don't trade something with that similar pair, so that because most of the holidays there's no volatility in the market. The volatility in the market is not that much. You understand? It's not much like that. So that's why on holidays we have to be very careful. All right, John. Friday we have Euro, we have USD. So now we know the incoming news for the week, and so we don't have any crazy news like that. Though we have a lot of news coming out, but not so much. So be aware that Thursday we have bank holiday on JPY and bank holiday on USD dollar. Bank holiday. So on Thursday, we are not going to trade anything related to JPY or USD. All right. So let's move straight to the chart and learn one or two things and see what the market holds for us this week. Let's see what the market holds for us this week. Okay. Yeah. This week is going to be massive. It's going to be massive. You understand? It's going to be massive. All right, so we are back to the chart. So this is Forex Factory. This is Trading View. This is Trading View. So if you are watching, make sure that if you're also learning how to trade or you're a beginner, make sure that you follow On Point FX and you can join our academy and become a very good trader. You can analyze the market very good on your own, anytime, any day, any moment. All right. And you can join the academy and become a good trader and a professional trader. And also your psychology will be very massive. The psychology is going to be very massive. Okay. Yeah. The psychology is going to be massive. All right. So now Yeah, so let's now go on, let's go and check. First of all, I like analyzing what the major stuff, that is what the Japanese yen and what USD, because these things are very, very, very what vital, very, very informational, because they are quite. All right, so we are back again. All right, so let's continue. Let's continue. So now, like I said, I always like to analyze the DXY first to know where the DXY is heading to. So now you can see what's happened. Market has hit what double top on our what major what resistance area, and that is a what a liquidity area. And the liquidity area market is either grabbing for what sell or what it's going upwards. Very good. So now we can see that liquidity at this moment, the market was what descending down. The market grab by couldn't go up. We saw sellers what very, very strong here, and they are breaking what boundaries going downwards. You understand? So what do you have to do as a trader? You have to be convinced all the time. Make sure you are convinced all the time before you pick a trade, right? Make sure you are convinced all the time before you pick a trade. So now let's see. On Monday, that means there's decline in the market. Monday, we are expecting what DXY to be weak, further drop more further, drop more further. So I'm expecting more drop in DXY. So hopefully we are going to be seeing DXY what doing something like this. We might get a little retest, just a little retest, and we will go here. This is our first stop, and then after here, it might break and go all the way down. But let's see what happens. So this is just my first target, and I'll tell you maybe next target. If we see market declining below here and creating something like this, that means we are demanding the market to what go further downwards. So now you have to be very, very much aware that this is what's currently happening in the market. This is currently what is happening in the market. All right. So let's look at, so that means if DXY is weak, that means dollar is also weak this week. Dollar is going to be weak, okay? DXY is weak, that means dollar is weak. Fine. So now let's look at JPY basket. JPY basket. JPY basket. So JPY basket too is trying to do something crazy, something nice. But so far, I want more information here before I'll go on this, okay? So let's see what's going to happen. Though we are looking for it to what decline more, but then currently I want to see how Monday will open so that I can know how the market is going to move, whether it's going to move up or it's going to move down, okay? Yeah, so let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out, okay? Now, so let's go on some of the few pairs and look at them. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? So now I'm on NZD card, NZD card. Guys, this week I have been making money on NZD card because NZD card has been proving to me that it's going to be bullish. I took a buy here at this area, just went out at this area here, and that was very, very good because the market had to come back to take more liquidity to go upwards, right? And so that's what happened at this moment and at this particular timing. All right, so we're expecting more push to come in so that we can drive the market all the way to the top, right? So now I'm still expecting Monday we should see more liquidity pushing for bullish run on NZD card, okay? So if we see that happening, remember, my student know what I'm talking about. You can't just trade anyhow. You have to trade with what very, very what conscious what belief, and also what be convinced. Like I always say, make sure you are convinced before you take a trade. And we know what convinces us. If you are here and you don't know what convinces us, you can join our academy and learn how to become convinced when the market is going up or down. Let's move on USD JPY, like we said already, the USD is weak, right? USD is weak. So we are looking for more bullish move or more bullish run move on what? Most of the pairs, right? We are looking for bullish runs on the pair. And when I see the pair, not we're not looking for we are looking for what bullish run on what odd USD, because when we looked at the USD DXY was very weak, right? So if DXY is weak, there is what we are looking for what more runs coming in on what this currency pairs on USD. I'm looking for more run on USD, all USD, right? Let's go on GBP USD. GBP USD to the same scenario is happening there. And I'm also looking for more what push all the way to the upwards direction, and that is also very, very, very encouraging. Now let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD is also on a push all the way upwards, and it's always hitting the liquidity area. And I'm looking at it for it to break out and go all the way bullish. All right, NZD USD, NZD USD2. I'm looking at it to also be very bullish, because currently USD is weak. When we check the DXY, we saw that there was a weak dollar. So this week we are looking at the weak dollar. So we're expecting Monday, Tuesday, we should see weakness in dollar and the what. So if it's weak in dollar, that means NZD USD is just going to push all the way up, 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 up. Let's look at CAD JPY. So like I said on CAD JPY, I'm still looking for more information, but you can see that CAD JPY is currently weak. It's currently weak, okay? So let's see how it plays out. And NZD JPY, NZD JPY. So the JPY pairs, I'm still looking at more information before I can conclude on what the JPY is. All right. Let's look at GBP CAD. GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD is also on a bullish run. So far, it's moving all the way to the upwards direction. That's good. And so not much information on this. Let's look at GBP JPY to save information, not much. And Euro USD, Euro GBP is also currently pushing up. It's pushing up. And so let's look at how it's going to also play out. If it play out towards if it breaks our normal levels, we are expecting to continue moving all the way up, 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 up. So far, it's on a bullish run. So I only trade pairs that are very, very, very convincing. I don't trade anyhow, okay? Yeah, so if you know me, you know that I don't trade anyhow. Guys, this is just a few tips I have given you guys. Make sure that this week the USD pairs are looking very weak. So let's take advantage of USD pairs. USD pairs, don't forget that USD pairs are weak. So let's take advantage and just go opposite of USD and make a lot of money from that pairs, because they are weak. If they are weak, that means there's weakness in that in USD. So it will be able to push all the way up or down. Euro CAD is on a run. It's on a run on a bull market. Odd NZD is also on a run on a bull market. UPC CHF is also trying to do something funny. So let's see how much more information we will gather for this to give us a drop or a buy. Okay, but so far what I'm seeing is like there's weakness coming in. Sellers are almost taking over GBP CHF. So let's watch and see how they all play out, and then we can see it break some levels. Then we can be very convinced to go in and make some money. All right. So now GBP. So I'm gonna put this on my watch list. So this one is going to come all the way up, 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 up. GBP CHF is very nice. It's very neat. I'm taking it all the way. So that is what I always do. So I look out for the high potential setups and I place them all the way to the top, because they are what you have to trade. Don't trade anyhow. If any pair is confusing you, stay away from it. Look for what is simple, what it can make you money, and you'll be okay, right? So just be very, very, very much careful. And look at what is happening on USD CHF. So that means USD is weak. We are looking at more drops coming in. Man, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money, man. So now that's it. Let me take this US CHF. I could have seen it earlier, but you know how we do it. So let me place it somewhere here so that next time I can be able to catch it and catch it well. Because money must be made. Money must be made. S&P 500 and Euro JPY. So now 30, now 100. Yeah, so that's just a couple of ones there. And then gold is also trying to gold. It's also trying to gold. All right. So DXY. So I think and also BTC is on a bull run. It's also pushing all the way to the upwards direction. BTC is also on a run all the way up. The cryptocurrencies are pushing up, 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 up. So let's see how they all play out very neatly. So guys, if you are watching on YouTube, Make sure you subscribe, follow, like this video, and make sure if you want to join the academy, make sure you check the number. You can just WhatsApp this number +233 2756 83212. You can WhatsApp the number and be part of the academy, learn how to trade very, very, very well, perfectly. Thank you guys. And I would like to end here. Please.